full disclosure, I'm not making this video for you. I'm making this video for my future client who's going to ask me a question that I get more often than I'd like, so that I can respond with what is obviously a premeditated, consistent narrative, and they don't feel like I'm just trying to talk them off of a shelf or talk them down or be dismissive. Stop Googling yourself. Stop it. There's no good comes from it. I promise you. Context. We have a client who I love deeply and dearly, who also doesn't watch our YouTube channel, I hope, who will at random days Google himself against a very specific competitor who he clearly has a vendetta against, and then say, oh my goodness, this person is outranking us. We need to adjust our bids and budgets. And as often as we've tried to talk him off of the shelf, that doesn't always work. And so we will follow orders after offering up what the implications are, and it destroys and kills the campaign. Here's what's interesting. The campaign is functioning phenomenally. We have a 1,200% ROAS in an industry that aims at 800%. So we're far above the industry leaders, which is actually hard because they're willing to spend more than us, which is why we get outranked. But that's the point. Don't focus on anything but the key performance indicator, which is ROI. It's ROI. Now, there might be, like in weird alternative realities, reasons that you absolutely positively, no matter what, have to outrank all your competitors. I can't think of them. We're going after ROAS, ROI. We're putting in $1, we're getting $12 out. And every single time we try to compete on anything other than ROI, we end up in a position where the ROI goes down. Yeah, I can outbid those competitors, but it's not worth it. Here's why. Because Google knows you. They're hiding from you. You've Googled in your business and not bought hundreds of thousands of times. So it's not a static auction. And this happens a lot with some of my trying not to make this a pejorative, but my old school clients who have run their own Google Ads campaigns in the past and know that the way that it used to function. They tend to obsess over things like, impression share or rank, or how they stack up against one particular competitor. It's kind of like a classic archetype, right? Like you have that one business that you've always looked to, and for whatever weird reason, we all obsess over and we want to bear. I have that business too. There's a Google Ads agency in the world that I desire deeply to crush in an ethical way. The problem is if you use that we can bid on one or the other, is what I'm saying. I can win one race or the other, but I can't win both. So stop Googling yourself. You can't say things like, I'm not seeing my ads. Of course you're not seeing your ads. Google's good at knowing who's going to buy. You're not going to buy from you. So it's not a phrase that I have the tolerance to hear any longer. I'm not seeing my ads. You mean I'm doing my job? That means I'm doing my job well. You're welcome. I'm not ranking where I need to be ranking. You need to be ranking where Google thinks you should rank in order for the conversion to happen. And by the way, I'm not telling you that ad rank is irrelevant. My agency needs to rank high. The higher we rank, the higher quality our prospect. So we bid higher. But that it's connected to ROI. If rank is connected to ROI, great. Let's compete on rank. If it's not, it's the wrong race. We're racing the wrong race. I'm sorry I'm so fired up about this. That's it. That's all I got. Stop Googling yourself. Stop judging the efficacy of your campaign based off of vanity metrics. And I'm not telling you that vanity metrics aren't important. They are. Sometimes they're the indication that the campaign is functioning. But more often, they're the things that we just shouldn't be paying attention to. And if that's all you care about, and there are those folks, by the way, it's the Geico effect. Geico's just like, I'm going to rank number one all the time, and you're always going to see my name in my face. All right, cool. If you have the $1 trillion that Geico has to go spend on advertising, great. Go play that game. God bless you. I'd love to have you as a client. I charge a percentage of spend. But if you don't, and if you want to go off of ROI, then we're in one race or the other. We can't be in both. I appreciate y'all. This was therapeutic for me, y'all. It was cathartic, and I needed it. So thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Wait, before you go. I'm constantly looking for amazing people to come join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you're passionate about customer success, please go to soul8.com/apply, and we'd love to see you as a part of the Solutions 8 team. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that we actually know what we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe. We shoot a video every single day, and I don't want you to miss out on any of it. Lastly, if you have questions, comments, concerns, confessions, or you just hate my face and my voice, go ahead and hit us up in the comments. We get very little human interaction, and even the heckling is something that I kind of get a kick out of. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribers if you're a subscriber. Don't forget to apply if you're interested in working at Solutions 8. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.